welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play Accompaniment on Piano Anti-Hero by Taylor Swift. So this is the same for chord progression the whole way through, so I'll explain a bit about it, what key we're in, what type of chord progression it is, and then I will also do the little synthy in between bits as well. I'll sing each section and I've left the full chords and lyrics linked down below. So this one is in the key of E major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of E major. So it's important to note which notes we are dealing with. Here is middle C. As a reference, if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. So my left hand will be blue and my right hand will be orange on the screen there. So I'll teach you the chord progression first, it just comes straight in with the verse. So I'll teach you both hands at the same time. So we're going to be using some inversions, so our hands aren't moving around all over the place, playing everything in root position. So we've got A major, so I'm going to reserve playing in octaves until the chorus part to help it amp it up. I'll go over the rhythm of the chords that are being played as well. So we have A in the left hand and then A, C sharp and E in the right hand. So this is root position. And then E major, or you can go down to E there. So E in the left hand. In the right hand I'm playing first inversion, so G sharp, B and E. So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we have B major. So B in the left hand. In the right hand I'm going to play second inversion, so that's F sharp, B and D sharp. And then the last chord is C sharp minor. So C sharp in the left hand. And in the right hand, I'm also going to play second inversion of this chord, so that's G sharp, C sharp and E. So going from the B to the C sharp, we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you think of the A and the E as a pair, and the B and the C sharp minor as a pair. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then to start that again, you just change the G sharp to an A and we're back to A major. So this is by far, I think, the simplest, easiest way to play this chord progression, and it means hopefully you don't have to look at your hands as much because there's not much movement, so you can focus on singing instead if you were singing over the top of it. And I'm pedaling each chord, refreshing it on every chord change as well. So we're in the key of E major, so A major, the first chord, is the fourth chord. So it starts on the fourth chord, and then we have E major, which is the first chord, and then we have B major, which is the fifth chord, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B, fifth chord, and then it moves up 1 to C sharp minor, which is the sixth chord. So it's a 4, 1, 5, 6 chord progression, which is not the most typical chord progression, but these 4 chords are used in pretty much every single pop song. I will demonstrate the verse and the pre-chorus now then. I have a say where I get older, but she's never wiser. Midnights become my afternoons. When my depression works for graveyard shift, all of the people I've ghosted stand there in the room. I should not be left to my own devices. They come with prices and vices. I end up So now we're into, so that was the first verse and the pre-chorus. So for the chorus, I'm going to play octaves in the left hand. You don't have to. You can play in fifths if you want to, if you can't stretch an octave. So if I demonstrate the first chorus, it's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me, at tea time, everybody agrees, I'll stare directly at the sun, but never in the mirror, it must be exhausting, always rooting for an anti-hero. And then we go on to this. So it's like a little synthy part. So I'm going to teach you this now, and this comes in between after every chorus, and it ends like that as well. And I'll do the ending slightly differently because it's a bit higher up. So the right hand, we have A, G sharp, F sharp, E, and then B, E, G sharp, F sharp, E, A, G sharp, F sharp, B, E, G sharp, F sharp, E. So you just do that once. And the left hand, we're gonna just play in fifths. So A and E, so it comes in together. And then E and B, or you could go down to E and B, it's up to you. With the E. And then with the F sharp, you're going to play B and F sharp in the left hand. And then move that up one to C sharp and G sharp in the left hand with E in the right hand. A bit quicker. And then it's into the second verse, etc., which we're just going to play the same as the first one. So I'll just continue. Sometimes I feel like everybody is a sexy baby, and I'm a monster on the hill. Too big to hang out, slowly lurching towards your favorite city. Through the heart but never killed. Did you hear my covert narcissism? Not disguised as altruism, like some kind of congressman. I'll wake up screaming from dreaming. One day I'll watch as you're leaving, and life will lose all its meaning. It's me. At tea time, everybody agrees. I'll stare directly at the sun, but never in the mirror. It must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero. Okay, so now we're into this next, I guess you call it the third verse, or maybe the bridge. It's the same chord progression, so I'll demonstrate how I would play it. I have a dream, my daughter-in-law kills me for the money. She thinks I left them in the will. The family gathers round and reads it, and then someone screams out, she's laughing up at us from hell. It's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me, hi, everybody agrees, and now we're into the last chorus, so you can keep the first two chords out if you want to, so it's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me. I come in that way, so with the B and the C sharp minor. or you can just play the right hand. It's me, hi, and then come in with the left hand with the next bit. And the problem is me. It's me, hi, and the problem is me. A tea time, everybody agrees. I'll stare directly at the sun and never really mirror it. Must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero. So this last bit, so the right hand is the same, I'm just moving it an octave higher. In the left hand, I'm just going to play single notes, so bringing this up as well. So remember, this is middle C. So I'm going to play A, and then E's, and then B with the F sharp, and then E's together, instead of playing this C sharp. So we play the E just so it sounds finished. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.